Today is Sunday, and before we go to church, we want to prepare some foods, and one of them is jollof rice before we can go to church. Okay, hello, welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. If today is the first time here, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. We are in a hurry, so we are making this quack. We want to finish on time. Yeah, I need to get done before 9 a.m. and I have a lot to prepare. I have my good meat here. I've added my pepper, ginger, garlic, onions. They are all blended. I added my salt. Use any seasoning of your choice. Okay, yes, I've added my salt. Now I'm just going to make sure I cook this very well because the goat is very hard. Okay, yes, so this is where we've gotten to, and the good meat is doing very well, and we are just going to allow it to be on fire for some time before we proceed. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Thank you so much for following us. Now our meat is ready. We will strain the stock from it and fry it very well. Okay, I am not going to fry it to become very dry. Okay, yes, so just watch the screen to see how I want it. Have you liked this video? If you haven't, please, what are you waiting for? Can you like the video? They don't take money. It is free. And please, if you've not subscribed, please do so for me. It is absolutely free. I'll be very grateful if you do that. Okay, now I'm flipping the meat to the other side because the other side has fried enough for me. As I said earlier, we are not going to fry it very dry. If you come to my kitchen right now, it smells very good because this good meat, oh my goodness, is the male goat and it smells good. I like the smell. One of my husbands will always say that you don't eat goat, you don't eat meat, but always you feel so happy when you are preparing goat. Yes, I like the flavor. And I always get the smelling one, the one I like. I like to perceive the smell. Yes. Now I'll flip it again and wait for a while before I remove that from the oil. Thank you. So now our meat is ready and we are going to remove this from the oil. Allow it to be in the colander so that the oil can strain very well. So that is what I am doing now, and just look at that, absolutely delicious and looks very inviting. If I want to try any meat, I think I will try good meat because I always love the smell. Okay, but I find it very difficult to enjoy or eat. I have never eaten it before, but if I want to try any meat right now, I will choose good meat. Yes, it smells good. We are taking everything out and we are good to go. So I will do everything behind camera, and when I'm done, I'll get back to you. We are done removing everything. Now I have my jollof stew here. I prepared the recipe with you the other time, or I shared the recipe with you. So please check the channel for my jollof rice stew base and you will love it. I have to fry it for some time because if you remember, I always tell you that I do not fry it very well when I'm preparing it. Okay, that is because before we go to the reason, I've added my rice to it after I fried it very well, and now I'll go ahead and then add my stock to it, give it a stir. That is the good meat stock, and then taste for salt. The good meat stock contains salts, so you just have to be very mindful of. Okay, yes, and then give it a stir. If you want to add some water to it, go ahead and do so. We don't want the jollof rice to be very soft. Not that we don't want it soft. We want it soft, but should be singled out. We don't want it to be mushy and then come together like a mutuo. I believe about 99% do not want their jollof rice to stick to each other. No. Yes, so that is what we want to achieve. So we are not going to add a lot of liquid to that. We will cover it and then check on it every 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so now the reason why I don't fry my tomato base very well is that each and every one and what they like. Okay, there are some people, they want their jollof rice very rich, so when it comes to that, you have to fry the stew very well. So I do not fry the stew very well. When I want to prepare the jollof rice, then I continue with the cooking process according to how the person wants it. Yes, so that is why I fried it again. That is just by the way. This is how the jollof is looking. And as I told you earlier, we are in a hurry to go to church, but we need money. You know, I know God first, but we need money. That is why God has given us common sense. It is not because it's Sunday, so if I have something to do, I don't have to do it. Okay, so and then we are good to go. Now this is how it looks. I'll give it a stir, cover it again, go and check on other things that I'm preparing. I'm preparing some good meat soup and some other things. So I'm preparing about 4 foods at the same time. Now my pan did not burn. Okay, that is how it is, so forgive me because of the stove that I'm using. That is how it will make it did not burn. We waited for a while and just look at that, absolutely good. I'll give it a stir again and then wait for a while again till it becomes soft. So this time around, when we cover it again and we come back, we are just going to add the next thing we are supposed to add. I tasted it and the rice is soft, but we have some moist in there. I will add my goat meat and then give it a stir, wait for a while, and I will show you the result. At this moment, oh, no burger wire, because I always tell you that I live in a community where they disturb us with flavors. Yes, so no burger wire. I am also going to disturb them. So from today onwards, I will always cook outside. And at this moment, I am very sure that some people want to come with their plates, but this food is for someone. That is just by the way. Now I am going to cover it for the last time and I will share with you how the jollof looks like. Just look at that, it is ready. I couldn't show you when I fed it in the pan because, my dear, I was already late. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.